It's the end of May 2025 and there's been 1,100 new cases listed at Maitland Local Court since 2025 started. So if you're a member of the public, like me, and interested in cases at Maitland Local Court, can we find out public information about any of these 2025 cases? They're flooring it over the Belmore Bridge today. I reckon I can find out public information about 19 of the 1,100 cases, which includes police pursuit, building fire, stealing, assault, drug driving, paramedic assault, another police pursuit, domestic and personal violence, a burnout, animal cruelty, drug possession, and 4 people co-accused of stealing. What about the remaining 1,081 cases? Not sure, because I can't find any public information. As I watch these cases being added to the court list, I noticed a few of these 2025 cases have been relisted as a breach, meaning the case which started this year has already allegedly been breached and therefore is relisted to consider a re-sentence. So how many of these 2025 cases have allegedly been breached already? At least 3 people have had their 2025 cases listed as a breach. Oh, by the way, there's breaches for cases from previous years. However, I'm just focusing on the 2025 cases. By looking at the court list, it doesn't say what the breach is. It could be a community corrections order that requires community service hours which haven't been completed, or perhaps it's re-offending, breaching the court order, and therefore the defendant now has a second 2025 case. One example of a 2025 case breach started early in 2025 with the first appearance in the first week of January. According to the court list, they were sentenced in early February. However, in May, a second 2025 case is listed for that defendant, and the first 2025 case is also called up soon after. This could be because the February sentencing was a community corrections order with the condition which is must not re-offend. So if there's alleged fresh offending, it's possible there's a breach of the existing order. So what's the consequence of these breaches? How does the court deal with these situations? Of the 3 so far, I can't find any public information about them. They are one of the many cases not spoken about. In my opinion, it's a missed opportunity to discuss re-offending and breaching court orders.